Hello everyone, this is Ms. Hoshika and I'm coming on behalf of the Tea Center. Today I will show you all how to make mindfulness bottles. This is something I have made before. So you use this to observe and look and feel calm. Now let's see how to make these. To make these, we will need some water, different colors of glitter, and a bottle, an empty bottle. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick our favorite colors of glitter, and then we're gonna add this glitter into the empty bottle. Now today I have used a little bit big sequins, and I picked two colors in blue. One is light blue and one is a little bit darker blue. And after these, I have picked pink glitter and silver glitter. And I'm gonna add some of these thinner glitter into my empty jar. And a little bit of silver. And now, once you are done adding your glitter, we are going to add the water. So slowly pour the water into the empty bottle like this. Now, once you have filled your bottle with water, you can shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, and then observe the beautiful glitter inside the water. And this is how we make the calming glitter bottles. So Ms. Hoshika have used these colors today, blues and purples and a little bit of silver. And this one I have, it has gold and it has green. So like this, all of the children out there can use any colors of glitter and then get some empty bottles and make some nice mindfulness glitter jars. Thank you so much for joining with us at the Tea Center Craft Time, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.